Now, I will select the first lookup underscore value, 101, using the drop-down menu, we see name of the employee, Alice. Department, Human Resource or HR. Salary, $50,000. For the second lookup underscore value, 102, we see name of the employee, Bob. Department, Finance. Salary, $60,000. For the third lookup underscore value, 103, we see name of the employee, Charlie. Department, IT. Salary, $55,000. For the fourth lookup underscore value, 104, we see name of the employee, David. Department, Marketing. Salary, $58,000. For the fifth lookup underscore value, 105, we see name of the employee, Eve. Department, Operations. Salary, $62,000. Let knowledge flow like a river, without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Hey everyone. I am PS Chatterjee with you. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Excel function VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP help us to find a particular value or text from Excel data table. In this demonstration it is employee name, department, and salary. By the help of this lookup functions we can create a dynamic Excel application. In this video, you'll learn the fundamentals of Excel functions VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Now in this PowerPoint presentation, you are watching a table of employee details table for VLOOKUP, and below this you are watching column heading, employee, ID, name, department, and salary. Below this column heading, I have written 1, 2, 3 and 4. This are the column index number. You need not to write this. For this demonstration, I have written this. Under column 1, you are watching an unique identification number of the each employees, and this are 101 to 105. Under column 2, name of the employees. In column 3, it is the department, where they are working, and finally in column 4, their salary in dollar. For VLOOKUP function, syntax is equals VLOOKUP, lookup underscore value comma, table underscore array comma, col underscore index underscore number comma, range underscore lookup. You are watching that at the bottom of this table. Arguments for VLOOKUP. 1. Lookup underscore value, the value to search for in the first column of the table. We are going to use employee ID as a lookup underscore value. To select this ID, we have created a drop-down menu in cell F1 and you are watching lookup underscore value 101 in this cell. 2. Table underscore array, the range of cells containing the data, must include the column with the lookup value. Cell A4 to D7 is our table underscore array and this is marked with red border. 3. Col underscore index underscore number, the column number, starting from 1, in the table from which to retrieve the data. Here 1, 2, 3, and 4, are the column numbers. 4. Range underscore lookup, optional. True or omitted, finds an approximate match, table must be sorted. False, finds an exact match. In cells G6, G7, and G8, we will display the employee name, department, and salary, respectively. When our index are in column, then we have to use VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP searches vertically. Hence it is called VLOOKUP. Whether you're a seasoned Excel user or a curious beginner, join me as we unlock the secrets of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP with Excel. If you think that I am doing a good job by sharing the knowledge that I have, then I believe it is our duty to support such efforts. You can do this by sharing, subscribing, commenting, or even liking or disliking this video. And yes, disliking is even better than liking, especially if you leave a comment explaining why. Your feedback helps me improve my presentation, so you get a more refined video from me free of cost. Let's grow and learn together. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new content. Now, let's move on to our next mission, Excel functions VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. First, start with VLOOKUP. Now, I am going to demonstrate the application of the Excel function VLOOKUP. You are watching the same employee details table for VLOOKUP, without leveling. First, I will format the cell F2 to display the text lookup_value along with the number. To do this, select the cell F2 and right-click on it. A dialog box will appear. Select the fourth option from the bottom, Format. Under the number category, select the last option, Custom. Then choose 0 because our lookup values are whole numbers. Just before the 0, type lookup_value within quotation marks and add a single space. Finally, to apply this customization, click OK. For testing, I am typing 101, and we are now watching lookup_value 101 in this cell. Next, I will create a drop-down menu in cell F2 to change the lookup_value quickly. To do this, select cell F2, go to the Home tab, and click on the Data option in the ribbon. You will find the Data Validation option in this menu. Click on it to open another dialog box. Inside, click on Data Validation again. A pop-up menu will appear with 3 options: Settings, Input Message, and Error Alert. By default, you will see the Settings option. Under Validation Criteria, there is a pull-down menu titled Allow. Click on it and select List. Then click on Source, and the cursor will start blinking in the box. Select cell A4, and by holding the left mouse button, drag to select the range from A4 to A8. To confirm, click OK. In these cells, you can see the ID numbers of the employees. These IDs will act as our lookup_value. Now the lookup value drop-down is ready to operate. For now, I am deleting the text from this box. Don't worry. I have only deleted the text, not the cell format or the drop-down menu. In cell G6, we will display the name of the employee using VLOOKUP. To do this, type the formula equals VLOOKUP $F$2, $A $4, $D $8, 2, false. Here, false indicates that we are looking for an exact match. The false or true in the formula is an optional argument. You can also use 0 for false and 1 for true. If we don't write this argument, or in other words, if we leave this portion blank, Excel will consider it as true and perform an approximate match instead of an exact match. Here, $F$2 refers to the cell F2. Its value is our lookup_value. $A$4:$D$8 is the table_array. 2 is the col_index_num, indicating the column where Excel will find the name of the employee. Our next target is to display the department name in cell G7. Simply copy the formula from G6 to G7 and change the col_index_num. From 2 to 3, as column 3 contains the department name. Finally, we will display the employee's salary in cell G8. Copy the formula from G6 or G7 to G8 and change the col_index_number to 4, as column 4 contains the salary. For the benefit of my viewers, I have also written all these formulas in cells F3 to F5. Initially, you might see #n/a in cells G6 to G8. This happens because the lookup_value cell is empty. Now, I will select the first lookup_value, 101, using the drop-down menu. We see name of the employee, Alice. Department, Human Resource or HR. Salary, $50,000. By the help of advanced conditional formatting now you are watching, each entry is displayed in light green rows with blue and bold text. Similarly, for the second lookup_value, 102, we see name of the employee, Bob. Department, Finance. Salary, $60,000. For the third lookup_value, 103, we see name of the employee, Charlie. Department, IT. Salary, $55,000. For the fourth lookup_value, 104, we see name of the employee, David. Department, Marketing. Salary, $58,000. For the fifth lookup_value, 105, we see name of the employee, Eve. Department, Operations. Salary, $62,000. Thus, we have demonstrated that the VLOOKUP function retrieves values from a vertical column, hence the name VLOOKUP. Now, we are ready to explore the Excel function HLOOKUP. Now, let's decode the Excel function HLOOKUP. We know that HLOOKUP helps us find specific values or text within an Excel data table. In this demonstration, we'll use it to retrieve an employee's name, department, and salary. On this PowerPoint slide, you'll see the employee details table for HLOOKUP. Below the table, we have titles for each row, employee ID, name, department, and salary. Beside these titles, in column A, cells A2 to 5, are numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. These represent the row index numbers, added here for illustration. Row 1 of the table contains unique employee identification numbers, 101 to 105. Row 2 lists employee names, Row 3 their departments, and Row 4 their salaries in dollars. The syntax for HLOOKUP is =HLOOKUP, lookup_value, table_array, row_index_number, range_lookup. Displayed at the bottom of the slide. HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP are similar, but HLOOKUP uses row underscore index underscore number instead of COL underscore index underscore number. HLOOKUP searches for values horizontally. Arguments for HLOOKUP. Lookup underscore value, the value to search for in the first row of the table. Here, we use the employee ID as the lookup underscore value. A drop-down menu in cell A6 allows you to select an employee ID. Table underscore array, the range of cells containing the data. It must include the row with the lookup value. In this example, the table underscore array is C2G5, marked with a red border. Row underscore index underscore number, the row number within the table underscore array from which to retrieve the data. Here, 2, 3, and 4 correspond to name, department, and salary. Range underscore lookup specifies whether to find an approximate match, true, or an exact match, false. We'll use false for an exact match. In cells D6, F6, and G6, the employee name, department, and salary will be displayed based on the selected lookup underscore value. When your index is arranged in rows, the HLOOKUP function is the ideal choice. Let's move to Excel to see HLOOKUP in action. Now, I will demonstrate the practical application of the Excel function HLOOKUP. In this example, I am using the same table as in the VLOOKUP demonstration. However, the position of the lookup values has changed. Instead of being in column A, they are now located in row 1. The other data, such as employee name, department, and salary, are organized in rows 2, 3, and 4, respectively. I have written 1, 2, 3 and 4 under column A under the heading row underscore index underscore number. This are the row index number. You need not to write this. For this demonstration, I have written this. We have a drop-down menu in cell A6, which references cells C2 to G2 arranged in a horizontal row. Earlier in this video, I demonstrated how to create a drop-down menu during the VLOOKUP explanation. At the moment, no lookup value is selected. You can see a formula in cell A7, written as equals HLOOKUP, $A$6, $C$2, $G$5, 2, false. By copying this formula, I am pasting it into cell D6. $A$6 refers to the lookup underscore value. $C$2, $G$5 is our table underscore array. 2 is the row underscore index underscore number, from which Excel will retrieve the employee name. To get the department name in cell F6, I will copy the formula from cell A8, as equals HLOOKUP, $A$6, $C$2, $G$5, 3, false. And paste it into F6. The only difference in this formula is the row underscore index underscore number, which is 3, as the department names are in the third row. Similarly, to get the salary in cell G6, I will copy the formula from cell A9, as equals HLOOKUP, $A$6, $C$2, $G$5, 4, false, and paste it into G6. The only difference in this formula is the row underscore index underscore number, which is 4, as salaries are in the fourth row. Initially, cells D6, F6, and G6 display hashtag n/a because no lookup value is selected in cell A6. Now, I select the first lookup value, 101, from the drop-down menu. The results display as follows. Name of the employee, Alice. Department, Human Resources, or HR. Salary of Alice, $50,000. The results are displayed in Excel, with the relevant cells highlighted in light green, featuring blue and bold text. When selecting 102, the results are: Name, Bob. Department, Finance. Salary, $60,000. When selecting 103, the results are: Name, Charlie. Department, IT. Salary, $55,000. When selecting 104, the results are: Name, David. Department, Marketing. Salary, $58,000. Finally, when selecting 105, the results are: Name, Eve. Department, Operations. Salary, $62,000. This concludes our demonstration of the lookup function in Excel. Now, the question is, which function should you use and when? VLOOKUP or vertical lookup, use when your data is organized vertically, and the information you need is located in a column to the right of the lookup value. For example, finding an employee's salary based on their employee ID. HLOOKUP or horizontal lookup, use when your data is organized horizontally, and the information you need is located in a row, below the lookup value. For example, finding the price of a product based on its size. Key considerations: data organization. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP rely on how your data is structured. Ensure your tables are organized correctly for the desired lookup direction. Match type. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP offer options for exact or approximate matches. Choose the setting that best suits your data and the results you need. In summary, use VLOOKUP when your data is organized in columns. Use HLOOKUP when your data is organized in rows. Remember, this is just the beginning of your lookup function journey. Want to learn more advanced lookup function techniques? Type yes in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your feedback and questions are always welcome. Let's keep learning and growing together. Thank you for watching, and here's to unlocking even more Excel magic. Happy lookup, and I'll see you in the next video.